Happy 4th of July. Woo!
Oh, dude.
Seems more beautiful.
I love seeing you able to read TNT from the bugs. Oh, they're showing off.
They're assholes.
Let them.
Light the L1. Light the L1 for me.
We need a stray spark. Just one to hit it right. Wow.
I'm backing up so just in case it doesn't hit it right.
Oh, almost got it too.
Make it green. You can do it.
Those are awesome, dude.
That's fine.
This was called Mother Nature, by the way. Hey, grab me that firework over there. We got two of my lace.
Wow.
I feel fantastic. You're right. That one's lasting.
Badger's got yours going at the same time. She's so much better.
I think it might have slightly. Okay, there we go. For a second, I was thinking like maybe some of it got hit and it was going off with it, and we didn't know.
So annoyingly loud because the elements are coming off now. All three of them going now.
And that's an entire box burning. Oh shit.
Oh.
How many are in there?
3.
Oh. I just saw one fly.
I know.
by us, dude. I was like, holy shit.
We hear someone yelling across the way, "My hair's on fire!"
We should have bought like 4.
I know.
For $10?
Yeah.
I think it's like multiple fuses.
Yeah, there is, yeah.
Woo!
Look at the 2 gay lovers with sparklers. Holy shit, they are so fucking gay. I cannot believe how fucking gay they are.